NEP 2020 emphasizes the importance of experiential learning, especially how pedagogy can help to bring experiential learning into classrooms. It says, pedagogy must evolve to make education more experiential, holistic, integrated, inquiry-driven, discovery-oriented, learner-centered, discussion-based, flexible, and of course, enjoyable. Experiential learning is learning by doing. Hands-on activities are an essential part of experiential learning. For example, if you are teaching how plants make food, you will use a plant to show how water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight help plants make food. Then you can ask students to take to different plants and observe their growth with and without sunlight. Meaning, you will aid conceptual learning with practical activities. Experiential learning has following characteristics. It encourages critical thinking, analysis, synthesis, and reflection. Allows opportunities to take initiative and make decisions, and engages learners intellectually, creatively, emotionally, socially, and physically. Well thought out and planned experiential learning modules can stimulate inquiry, encourage interdisciplinary learning, cultivate leadership and other professional and intellectual skills. Activities should have learning potential, meaning the activities should help acquire knowledge. For example, showing students that without sunlight the plant will not survive will emphasize the importance of sunlight for plants. Activities should encourage probing, experimenting, curiosity, problem solving, and initiative. You can organize a classroom discussion on whether humans are capable of making food using sunlight. Whatever their answer, ask them why they think so. You are making them think, which will encourage them to seek answers. Activities should allow reflection. Either during the activity or after the activity, students should make use of their past experiences or conceptual understanding. If you have already covered photosynthesis in the classroom, demonstrating how plants make food should enable students to connect it to the concept you explained in class. It will lead to analysis and critical thinking. Activities should engage students intellectually, emotionally, socially, physically, and creatively. NEP 2020 stresses holistic learning, which means the learning activities should also consider emotional engagement and allow room to expand students' creativity. When students communicate with each other, show respect for each other's opinions, and are willing to share their understanding and ideas, it is a solid sign that they are engaged with the topic at multiple levels. When you are holding discussions on whether humans are capable of making food using sunlight, notice whether they exhibit these behaviors. Experiential learning is not learning beyond the classroom. Rather, it is an extension of classroom learning. Experiential mode of learning allows students to engage emotionally and socially, helping them develop not just intellectually but as a person as well. In the rapidly evolving world, learning by doing has become ever more necessary, and designing curricula to encourage experiential learning will help us implement it on a wider scale. Follow us for more such NEP, pedagogy, curriculum development, and classroom-related topics.